Hello students, welcome to Chetan classes. Today we are going to learn non-homogeneous linear equation. Non-homogeneous linear equations. First we will see what is the non-homogeneous system. So equations of the type a11x1 plus a12x2 plus dash 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 a1n xn is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus dash 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 a2n xn is equal to b2 and up to am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus dash 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 amn xn is equal to bm. This is the system of linear equations are known as non-homogeneous equations. If all of b1, b2 up to bm are 0, then the equations are called homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equations. So these equations in matrix form, above equations we write in matrix form. So we get a11, a12 up to a1n, a21, a22 up to a2n, am1, am2 up to amn. This is the matrix of order m cross n. Our unknowns are x1, x2 up to xn. This is n cross 1 is equal to RHS, that is b1, b2 up to bm. This matrix is m cross 1. That is AX is equal to B, where I highlight this. This is our matrix A, this is our X, and this is our matrix B. So A is called the coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. X is called the column matrix. And B is called, and B is column matrix of constants. So A or B is equal to, we write this matrix like this: A11, A12 up to A1n, A21, A22 up to A2n, and AM1, AM2 up to AMN, and here B1, B2 up to BM. This matrix all this matrix formed by the coefficients and the constants is called the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. So solving the matrix equation Ax is equal to B need not always have a solution. Always have a solution. It may have no solution. It may have no solution, a unique solution, or an infinite number of solutions. A system of equations having no solution is called an inconsistent system of equation. Inconsistent system of equation. A system of equations having one or more solution is called a consistent system of equation. So here note, for a system of non-homogeneous equations Ax is equal to B, first note as if rank of augmented matrix is not equal to rank A, then the system is inconsistent. That is, there is no solution. Second, if rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank A is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has a unique solution. And third, if rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank A but it is less than number of unknowns, then the system has an infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Example, solve the equations x plus y plus z is equal to 3 x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4 and x plus 4y plus 9z is equal to 6. Solution. First write ax is equal to b form. So first equation x plus y plus z is equal to 3. So coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of 3z is 1. Now second 1, 2, 3 and third equation 1, 4, 9. Now write unknowns here x, y, z is equal to matrix B is 3, 4, 6. Now write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix A and B, we write it one matrix. So first write A 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. Now this is the partition and here write matrix B. Now solve this matrix using row operations. So R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So we get here first row as it is, second here 0, 1, 2 and third 0, 3, 8. Now R3 tends to R3 minus 3R2. So here we get 1, 1, 1, 3. Now second row as it is and third row 0, 0, 2 and here 0. So augmented matrix, rank of augmented matrix is also 3 and rank of A is also 3. So we get therefore rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of A and it is 3. And 3 means here we have number of unknowns is also 3. So number of unknowns. It means this system of equation is consistent and has unique solution. Hence, the given system of equations is consistent and has a unique solution. So write the equations. X plus y plus z is equal to 3, y plus 2z is equal to 1 and 2z is equal to 0. It means z is equal to 0. Substitute in second equation, so we get y plus 0 is equal to 1. It means y is equal to 1. So x plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2. So solutions are 2, 1 and 0. Next example. Solve the system of equations two x minus 3y plus 7z is equal to 5. Second equation 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 13. And third equation 2x plus 19y minus 47 47z is equal to 32. So we have these three equations. Write this equation in Ax is equal to B form. So our matrix A is 2 minus 3 7, 3 1 minus 3 and 2 19 minus 47. Matrix X, it means XYZ, and matrix B is 5, 13 and 32. Now write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is, write this matrix, 2 minus 3 7, and here partition, and write here matrix B, that is 5. Now 3 1 minus 3 13, 2 19 minus 47, and here 32. Now solve this augmented matrix in echelon form. So R1 interchange with R2. So 3 1 minus 3, here 13, 2 minus 3 7, 5, and 2 19 minus 47 32. Now R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So we get 3 minus 2 is 1, here 4 minus 10, here 8, second and third row as it is, 2 19 minus 47, and here 32. Now with the help of this 1, R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, and R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. So we get 1 4 minus 10, 8 as it is, here 0 minus 11 27, here minus 11, 0 11 minus 27, and here 16. Now R3 tends to R3 plus R2. So we get 1 4 minus 10, here 8 as it is, 0 minus 11 27, now 0 0 0, and here 5. So which is a echelon form. So see this augmented matrix. Rank of matrix A is 2. Rank of A is 2 and rank of the whole matrix is 3. Rank of augmented matrix is 3. It means rank of A is less than rank of augmented matrix. Therefore, the system of equations is inconsistent. Therefore, no solution exists. Okay, so here remember this. Rank of A is less than rank of A slash B. It means rank of augmented matrix. So the given system of equation is inconsistent and no solution exists. Next example. Solve the equations x minus 3y minus 8z is equal to minus 10. 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 0. And 2x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 13. Now write this system of equation in Ax is equal to B form. So 1 minus 3 minus 8, 3 1 minus 4, 2 5 6, x y z is equal to matrix B is minus 10 0 13. Now write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 8 and here minus 10. 3, 1 minus 4, 0, 2, 5, 6, 13. Now R2 minus 3 R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R1. So we get 1 minus 3 minus 8, here minus 10 as it is. Now here 0, 10, here 20 and 30. Now 0, 11, 22 and 33. Now R2 tends to R2 divided by 10 and R3 tends to R3 divided by 11. So our augmented matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 8, here minus 10, 0, 1, 2, here 3 and 0, 1, 2, 3. Now R3 tends to R3 minus R2. So we get 1 minus 3 minus 8, here minus 10, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0, 0, 0, 0. So rank of A is 2 and rank of augmented matrix is also 2. So this is the echelon form, which is the echelon form, and rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of A is equal to 2, but it is less than number of unknowns. Therefore, system of equations is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions because 2 equation and 3 unknown. So equations are x minus 3y minus 8z is equal to minus 10 and y plus 2z is equal to 3. Means 2 equation, 3 unknown, so 1 free variable. So consider z is equal to t. Therefore y plus 2t is equal to 3. It means y is equal to 3 minus 2t. Substitute y and z in equation 1, that is x minus 3 into 3 minus 2t minus 8t is equal to minus 10. So x minus 9 plus 6t minus 8t is equal to minus 10. Therefore x minus 2t is equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus 2t. So these x, y, z value depends on the free variable t. So therefore this system of equations has infinite number of solutions.